Hi, I'm Renee McLaughlin, Master T-Tapp Trainer, and are you looking for just some really quick, maybe 1-minute moves that you can get in throughout the day, even when you're doing other things like being in your kitchen like I'm at, making some dinner, or maybe even getting a cup of coffee or some tea? That's what this whole kitchen sink stretch series is all about. Now, in this one, I'm going to show you how to get a little bit of strength training and some lower body stretches. This is going to be a plank and a push-up series. Yes, using your kitchen sink. Let's get started. So come face your sink. Put your hands shoulder width apart, maybe a little bit wider. You can kind of adjust as you get there. I'm going to lean in towards it a little bit, and I'm going to start to walk my legs back out to wherever I'm feeling comfortable. That feels good to me, where I can then lean into it, tuck your tail under, and press the palms into the sink, keeping my chin tucked, and you can just stay here and just plank. Just doing this is great strength training for the upper body and for your core. Want to add a little bit to it? I love to add a little bit of sit-up to this. Or push-ups to this. So all you're going to do is bend the elbows in, press away. Bend the elbows in, press away. Now, if that feels too much, you can always walk yourself up. If you start to feel anything in the lower back, come back up a little bit. Bend the elbows, press them out. Now, notice I'm bending the elbows, but I'm not chicken winging them out to the side. Try to keep them in close, and as you do this and press away, you know where you're going to work? The bat wing area. Yes, you're going to feel your triceps engage. This is a great arm exercise, and it's just all with own body weight. Now, I'm going to do one more thing in this position. I think you're going to love this. Here's what I want you to do. Get into the plank position. I'm going to go back a little bit. Notice how my heels are pressing down into the ground. My tail is down. I'm going to take one foot and I'm going to cross it over the other, and I'm just going to lean in a little bit and press through my back, knee, and heel. And boy, are you going to feel this all the way up in the calf and the Achilles. It's amazing. Press back, bring the other leg. You can do it from here. Press in, holding, pressing through, stretching through that back heel. Oh yeah, and you can adjust the distance, whatever is going to be comfortable and doable for you and your fitness level. Now, to come back up, just begin to walk yourself back up. So good. One of the things I like to do after doing that, because I felt such a stretch in here, I'm going to put my weight here. I'm going to peg up, lifting this hip. Did you see what I just did? I'm going to press this heel down in the ground to lift this hip. I'm going to bend. I'm going to grab on. Just going to show you this at the toes, or like kind of mid-leg, knee to knee, not here, knee to knee. I'm going to bend my stander, and I'm going to curl the tailbone under. That's going to give you a beautiful stretch on the front of the leg. And you want to do that on both sides. You can use this hand against the kitchen sink. Press to get the ribs up even more. What a great quad stretch. So I hope that these moves help you. Do them, come back, comment. I'd love to hear how much you love them. Thanks so much, and you have a fabulous day.